Jesus heals two blind men. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals two blind men, found in Matthew chapter 9 verses 27 to 31. This story shows us how faith in Jesus opens our eyes, both physically and spiritually. As Jesus was leaving a town, two blind men heard that he was near. They cried out, "Son of David, have mercy on us." They believed Jesus was the promised Messiah who could heal them. Even when Jesus kept walking, they did not give up. They followed him until he reached a house and went inside. Jesus asked them, "Do you believe that I am able to do this?" They replied, "Yes, Lord." Then Jesus touched their eyes and said, "According to your faith, let it be done to you." Immediately, their sight was restored. Jesus warned them not to tell anyone, but they were too overjoyed to stay silent. They spread the news about Jesus throughout the whole region. The story of Jesus heals two blind men teaches us important lessons about faith, persistence, and spiritual sight. First lesson: faith moves Jesus to act. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1, faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Jesus healed these men because of their faith. Faith is the key to receiving from God. Second lesson: spiritual blindness is worse than physical blindness. Psalm chapter 119 verse 18, open my eyes that I may see wonderful things in your law. These men were physically blind, but they had spiritual sight. They knew Jesus was the Messiah. Many people with good eyesight are spiritually blind because they do not recognize Jesus. Here are three key takeaways from today's story. First, faith in Jesus brings healing and transformation. Second, persistence in seeking Jesus leads to breakthroughs. Third, spiritual sight is more important than physical sight. Take a moment to think about these questions. Do I have strong faith in Jesus like the blind men? Am I persistent in seeking Jesus even when I don't see immediate results? Do I recognize Jesus as my Savior, or am I spiritually blind? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals two blind men teaches us. First lesson: faith moves Jesus to act. Second lesson: spiritual blindness is worse than physical blindness. No matter what we face, Jesus has the power to heal, restore, and open our eyes. Just as in Jesus heals two blind men, we too can experience his power through faith and persistence. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.